So hello everyone, I'm Crypto Noobs. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Theta token. We're also going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with DigiByte and a price analysis. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. And I want to know your thoughts down below. Where do you think these two cryptocurrencies are heading in the next 2 years? With that, let's jump straight into the video. So if we start off by taking a look at the market, overall the market is in a downtrend, but in my opinion it's nothing too serious to worry about, so it could be some good buying opportunities. Bitcoin down to $11,364, Ethereum down to 378, XRP down to 28 cents, Chainlink down to $12.86, Cardano down to 13 cents, and Tezos, who had a really good run, it is now down to $3.83. So overall, the market is in a downtrend, but in my opinion, it is good buying opportunities, depending where the market does head in the next couple of weeks. But in my opinion, I am very, very confident it will stay above those key resistance levels and it will continue to thrive. Now, the first cryptocurrency we're going to take a look at today, it is going to be Theta token. Now, Theta token has been on my radar for a little while now, and you guys down in the comment section have been asking for Theta token news. So here we are. If we take a look at its price, it is at 34 cents, and over the past 30 days it is up 26%, and over the past 7 days it is up 7%, which is very, very good in my opinion. If we take a look at its chart on the 7-day, again it had a pullback, but it is showing good signs of resistance and it is continuing that bull trend. Again on the 30-day that does look very, very attractive, and on the 90-day again very, very attractive, and especially on the 12-month that does look like a very attractive chart on the 12-month. The first thing I want to show you is going to be what Theta token is for those of you that don't know, and then we are going to jump straight into the big news to do with Theta token. Now, for those of you that don't know what Theta token is, here's a little short piece explaining briefly what they are and what they want to do. Theta is a decentralized video delivery network with its own blockchain, designed for incentivizing the sharing of bandwidth. Currently, video delivery networks suffer from poor reach to less developed countries, a high cost setup and centralized makeup. This lends itself to abuse and cutouts to service. Furthermore, Theta sees a current infrastructure as unprepared for accelerating demands it will face due to 4K and 8K, virtual reality and other developments, such as light field technology. Theta is building a peer-to-peer mesh network that aims to solve these current issues while using a blockchain to serve as an incentive layer to keep the delivery network at continual high performance. And as well, they are getting involved with the gaming infrastructure as well, which is again a very, very big thing in my opinion. Now, the first piece of news that I want to show you about Theta, and in my opinion is pretty big news. Now, the first article says Theta partners with Korea gaming platform to reward its 3 million users. The token-powered esports streaming platform Theta has expanded into Korea, partnering with the popular gaming-centric social platform Ludena Protocol. The crypto-powered esports streaming platform Theta has partnered with South Korea's social gaming platform Ludena Protocol to reward its gamers for viewing or streaming content. The partnership will see Theta Protocol integrated into GameTalk, Ludena's first decentralized application, DApp, allowing the gaming-centric social platforms more than 3 million users to access Theta's streaming services through the platform. Ludena's users will be rewarded for engagement in the form of Theta's T-Fuel token. Now, in my opinion, I think this is pretty big news because it just shows that they're trying to get their foot in the door with the big partners, and if they can, then it will just show at such an important time that the growth and the adoption could be around the corner if it does continue to grow like it does. Now, in my opinion, that is big news. Now, the next big piece of news that I want to show you, and this big news is rather going to cause a big price increase, or it already has. Now, this next piece, in my opinion, is pretty big news, and it says Coinbase continues to explore support for new digital assets. We are continuing to explore the addition of new assets for customers around the world. And if we zoom in, there's a couple there that you might recognize, but there is Theta token, which could have been the reason why its price went up very well over the past week, but I do not know. I'm not 100% sure, but overall that is very, very big news because again, it just increases the accessibility for people to be able to buy it, which in my opinion is big news. And that is why normally when a Coinbase listing happens, a lot of hype does go around it, and I think it might be because Coinbase is one of the easiest to use. I'm not entirely sure, but it does create a nice price surge whenever something is mentioned about a listing on Coinbase. And it says down here, crypto exchange Coinbase said Friday that it is reviewing 19 cryptocurrencies for possible listing. And here's a list down here, but I'm going to leave it in the description down below just in case you guys want to check them out. Coinbase said the review process includes significant technical and compliance review and may be subject to regulatory approval in some jurisdictions. There's no guarantee the crypto assets under review will gain automatic listing. Now, in my opinion, overall this is really big news, because if it can make it onto Coinbase, then it will increase the likelihood of that adoption. It will increase the likelihood of people buying it, and if they can continue on with their journey, what they are doing and the partnerships, then I think it could have a very, very bright future. I want to know down in the comment section below, what do you guys think of Theta token? Now that's everything we have for Theta token today. We're now going to be taking a look at the next cryptocurrency in today's video, and it is going to be DigiByte. Now DigiByte over the past 30 days has had a very, very good run. It is up 39% over the last 30 days, and it is up 15% over the last 7 days. Its price since my last video is now up to 3 cents, which again is very, very good. If we take a look at its chart on the 7-day, very, very attractive in my opinion, very stable. Again, on the 30-day, that does look very, very attractive, and on the 90-day, have a look at that, it does look very, very attractive. Now, the first piece of news that I want to show you about DigiByte. Now, this first article I want to show you is about getblock.io, and what they are basically is a company that offers connection for major cryptocurrency nodes, and DigiByte are one of them. Now, the article says getblock.io launches a service for fast and secure access to blockchain nodes. GetBlock is a service that offers a connection for major cryptocurrency nodes. They support tools like Johnson-RPC, REST, and WebStocks, which promote direct synchronization with the blockchain. There is no obligation to run a node yourself. The platform enables its consumers to connect to the blockchain via full node without having to pay a fee. For those who need to launch their wallet, cryptocurrency exchange, or explore, GetBlock is set to give its top-notch technology, design tools, and non-stop working services located in Germany. Now, over the past few months, we have been seeing a very good indication that cryptocurrency is going to be a big, big part of the future. I certainly think that cryptocurrency is going to be a massive part of the future, and now that you're seeing big companies across the world getting involved with it and stuff like that, you are going to see over the next 12 months, in my opinion, you're going to see a big growth. Yes, at the moment the market is down, but I generally don't think that that downtrend will last too long, and if it does, it's a great buying opportunity. So in my opinion, it's almost like a win-win situation, because if this does happen in the future, we are going to see incredibly big things. If anything repeats to 2017, then a lot of us are going to make a lot of money in this technology, and that is something that I am very happy for, because even though I am not a financial expert or a financial advisor, one of my goals in this space is to be able to help as many people, even if it's at a beginner level, help as many people in this space get on the right track on cryptocurrency. Not every cryptocurrency that I review or talk about is going to be perfect, and if it does, then ideal, but it's just what I've learned over the past few years, and I just want to share it with you, so then you guys have a better track of increasing the likelihood of picking a winner rather than picking any of the bad coins that are out there, because I want to help as many people, and if we can get a good portfolio going between us as a community, then overall we will be very happy, in my opinion. Now, the next piece of news that I want to show you, it is old news, but it's similar to Theta token. Now, again, this did come out in June 10th, but we have to bear in mind this is going to take a while. It's not going to get listed after a week, but we have got the rest of the year and 2021 to look forward to. But if Theta token and DigiByte do get listed onto Coinbase, we are going to see very big gains, in my opinion, 3-4 months after that, because it will increase the likelihood of an adoption happening. Now, in this one on June 10th, it did say VeChain and DigiByte. We still have not heard anything yet, but we're going to have to wait and see. There is a long time to wait, and as we've said multiple times in this market, patience is what will make you winners. Now, if we stay patient, then overall I think long term a lot of us are going to be very successful. Do not FOMO in, and do not panic when you see a price decrease. This is where all part of learning comes from, and that is the beautiful side of it. Now, the next piece I want to show you. Now, this is the last article I want to show you before the end of the video, so I hope you guys have enjoyed. DigiByte reclaims 2-year high, trades above 3 cents. DigiByte DGB at the time of penning down this analysis was trading around 0.032 cents, wherein the coin is now breaching an approximate 2-month high. With this, DigiByte's 1-week social volume has spurred by 16.6%, according to Lunacross social listening. With this, social media posts hit a total of 18,559 as the price spiked by over 20%. And down here we have a DigiByte price analysis, and it says DGB on a 24-hour chart is seen trading with utter momentum after the massive sell-off and testing support as low as 0.00161. And within 7 weeks thereafter, it grew over 1,500% to hit the first high after slagging at 0.026 cents. With yet another higher high, we see the reclaiming a 2-year high recently and is holding support from a 50-day and 200-day moving averages at 0.022 cents and 0.013 cents. The price trend of DigiByte is already hitting the upper 20-day BB, and therefore projects moderate volatility as the bands widen slowly. Now, short term, you guys know it doesn't bother me too much about the buying opportunity, but as you can tell, long term, it would have paid off very, very well if you had been investing in DigiByte long term. But overall, long term investment, I think, is generally the way forward because, again, you have not got to stress about the daily price movement. If you believe in the technology and you believe what cryptocurrency is going to do, then simply just hold on and be patient because, as I say over and over and over again, patience is what will make us winners in this space. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you today. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed anything, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.